Start the day with a song and sing the whole day through. Even while you're busy working, do just like the birdies do. Though the day may be long, you never will go wrong. Off key, on key, any old key, just start the day with a song.
Beyond this point you may encounter nude sunbathers eating waffles. Do they make their own syrup? Raffle.
Making their own syrup? Gross. Ew.
Judas Priest. Sam made Mary sick again. There's only one thing to do. There. Anytime someone gets sick, you know where to go.
Thanks, Mike. And Sam, don't you ever make me sick again. Ever.
Heather's Rockdale Bar and Grill. Welcome nudies. Flying for a beer. I didn't know nudies can fly.
I don't know about the nudies, but Heather can fly me to the islands any day in the week. Ha 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 ha.
Don't push it, Speakonia Mail 1. I hear Heather's married.
Toys R Us. Hooters. Holy shnipe cheese. This must be the statutory rape capital of the universe.
Junior, stay away from that waitress. You're much too young for her.
Jesus was the original Potter, not Harry. You tell them, Reverend. At least Harry can't claim to have parted the Red Sea.
Excuse me, Sam, but Moses parted the Red Sea. Jesus walked on water and calmed the storm.
Oh Mike, are we Mr. Pitty Pants all of a sudden?
Don't be a heretic, Sam.
Danger. Jet blast of departing and arriving aircraft can cause severe physical harm resulting in extreme bodily harm and/or death.
Don't get run down by aircraft on the runway like Mary did last week. Raffle.
Stay calm, Mary. Don't let it get to you. Keep your cool. Ho-ho, tantrum. Coming on.
Sam, I've got a good mind to tie you to a runway under a speeding 747, you bastard.
Great beer. Amazing cider. Grumpy manager but lovely staff. Lucky grumpy. Sleepy, sneezy, guilty, happy, bashful and must be jealous. Ha 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 ha.
Alright you gold bricks. Quit standing around and get back to work. Now.
Alright, don't get ugly. Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh.
Librarians. Lesbians. Lesbrarians. Lesbrarians. I heard of less boys, but not lesbrarians. Ha 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 ha.
No playing on the historical mound. I want to play on the historical mound. Please let me play on the historical mound.
No dessert tonight, Junior.
Human fit tailors. Fit for humans.
Except for Microsoft Sam. He's only subhuman. Hot.
Take it easy, Sam. Don't get upset. Remain calm. No. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, damn, crap, Mike, don't you ever call me a subhuman again, you ass white.
Lost my brain. Please don't contact me. I'm happy.
Finally Mike admits it. That's why he's such an ass wipe. Raffle.
Steady, Mike. He doesn't mean it. Relax. Oh. Tantrum. Coming on now.
No, damn it, Sam, next time you insult my intelligence I'll pull your brains out and jam them up your ass, you son of a bitch.
Ye gads. Mary's been planted in the ground again.
That's right. Sam and Mike never learned to face the other way when throwing tantrums.
And where are they?
Right here. And they are mine this time, and I forbid the Almighty to steal them from me under penalty of world destruction.
Which will prove justified due to Sam and Mike's guilt beyond all doubt of unforgivable sins.
Not without conclusive proof, you overprotective evildoers.
Not while may be holier than thou interferer.
If you forbid us from destroying the world, we will ship all over Sam and Mike.
Don't you dare do that.
That is way too disgusting.
You asked for it.
Gonna pooped on again. Ew. Ew.
You are too filthy. Ew. Ew. Enough, you filthy animals. Take that.
You get us out of here right now.
Do as he says, or everything is cursed.
Impermissible.
We are gonna clean you up right now.
While God cleaned up the devil and she-devil, the angel cleaned up Sam and Mike and rescued them from Satan's kingdom. Mary dug her way out of the ground, and the sign reading continues.
Dying right here is strictly prohibited. Mary, I see you with that gun in your hand. Put it down. Don't shoot. Please don't shoot. Ouch. You shot me.
Sorry, Sam. I just have an itchy trigger finger. Hog 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 hog.
Notice, any person with symptoms of diarrhea is prohibited from swimming at this time. Swimming with diarrhea. Ew. Ew.
Thank you for your patronage. Please do not leave your car here when you leave. It will be towed. Pshaw! How can I not leave my car when it's parked? Well, duh!
Deflated naughty balls can be found in this cabinet. Do not sell the blown-up ones.
Blown-up balls? That's a very painful way to castrate a guy, and you should know from your experience. Ha 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 ha.
Calm down, Speakonia Male 1. It's just a sick joke. Keep cool. Uh-oh. Tantrum. Coming on.
Quit making sick jokes about my walls, you doofus 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 doofus.
Attention, there are too many tantrums being thrown in this video. It's a waste of energy, so please stop throwing tantrums.
3 kids on their way to school. Correction, they are running from school. And that's where I'm running. Away from school.
Quick. Call the truant officer. Warning, reflections in this mirror may be distorted by socially constructed ideas of beauty.
It's not distorted. Mary looks that way in the mirror because she was.
Don't say it, Sam. They don't want us wasting energy by throwing tantrums.
Honors Cafe. The Zen.
Zen and the art of the restaurateur.
And then what's happened?
I wish you would stop being useless and start being pizza.
I wish Sam was pizza so I can eat him all up. Ha 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 ha.
You're so bad. Speak only a female too.
I know, Sam. That's only because I love you. Must be born before June 10, 2010 to drink alcohol. Jeez Louise! Have you ever seen a drunken baby?
I know Sam was. Hog 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 hog.
Don't push it, Mary.
Just kidding.
Zombies plunder San Francisco. Must be the hippie corpses.
Well, if zombies plunder San Francisco, and slime people overrun Los Angeles, I'd hate to see what would plague San Diego.
California, here I come? I don't think so.
Citizen disposal. Well, there's a way to ease overpopulation.
I agree. Starting with Sam. Just kidding.
Student drop off. Town landfill. Well, the truant officer knows what to do with kids who ran away from school. Tag on tag on tag swa 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 raffle. Jeez Louise. Did you just razz me?
Nobody's razzing you, Sam. That buzzer means that time is up.
Your Rafflecopter is ready when you are, Sam.
Good thinking, Mary. All aboard. We're taking off. Swa 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 swa.
Funny Signs is brought to you by Ouch Beauty Salon, home of the world's fastest coiffeurs.
Okay, Andre. Give her the works.
Ouch, you're pulling my hair out.